said, I dare you take one of these off your ear if you can. Bro, that... Holy... I gotta put this back on. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, we're back at Dyno Comp. And guess what we're doing? You guessed it right. We're picking up the ZL1, fully done now with the heads and cam package. And we're gonna waste no time. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're inside the shop as we speak at Dyno Comp, and look who I found. The man, the myth, the legend himself.
What's going on, fam?
Joe, you ready, dog?
We got presents, we got surprises.
Oh man, I can't
ready?
wait. Dude, I swear I just got chills. I'm not even joking. Bro, this lowrider though, that's wild.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
This thing's pretty fan. Full hydraulics.
That's crazy.
It's a clean build.
Woo!
What do you see?
Oh my God, finally. Getting to see the car, bro. I can't wait to hear this thing. Is it pretty loud?
It's pretty loud.
I think
it's pretty loud.
Is it loud? Oh, yeah. I think we got to
have a special surprise in the driver's seat right now.
Colin, can you do the honors, please?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, baby. I want to hear this thing. Anymore.
I know.
You guys, oh, I can smell that ethanol.
Smell that?
Oh, I can smell that ethanol. Oh my God, bro, that sounds wild. Oh. Just listen to that.
What's happening, guys? How you guys doing?
Oh my God, so this is the guy, you guys, that tuned the car. He's the one that tuned it. He worked his magic. I don't know, bro, this thing sounds wild, dude.
Yeah, I got this thing cranking.
What can you do for us on this vlog?
We do a few dyno runs, maybe put a couple revs. I don't know, whatever you want. What you want?
Can I hear a quick little rev, little baby rev? Holy cow! I've been waiting years for this, you guys. Years. Yes, sir. All back in one piece. Love it, man. He said he could do a pull?
Yeah.
We could do a pull?
We gonna do a pull?
Oh, can we do a pull? Joe said we could do a pull?
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro.
Going.
Do I stand in the front, right? It's gonna be loud back there, right?
It's gonna be loud back there. It's gonna be real loud. You want headphones? I got some.
Yeah, please, let me get some headphones. I'm gonna need some headphones, you guys. There's no way I'm gonna stand behind that and he does a full pull. Let me put these on real quick. So we're gonna get a pull from back here, and Joe was saying that it's pretty loud, so we gotta put these on. Joe said, I dare you take one of these off your ear if you can. Bro, that... Holy, I gotta put this back on. Hell no. Let's get it from the front. Bro, I can't hear anything out of his ear. I should have listened to him. He said, don't take this off.
Lyndon didn't want to listen.
Bro. Oh my God. Holy cow. Yes, that sounds really good, bro.
Thank you.
That sounds really good. This is crazy. We gotta drive this thing home, you guys. That's wild. Alright, Colin, let's see what we did.
730 and 719 torque. So
Yes,
this thing is jamming.
Yes, sir. This is really, really good numbers too, because this is like a Mustang dyno, ain't it? Or it's like a known as a heartbreak dyno.
Yes.
Realistic numbers.
Correct.
And Joe, that's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want numbers that are like super high, then I go take it to the track, and some dude that actually has those real numbers blows my doors out. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't want that. I wanted real deal numbers, so I'm really, really happy with these. But we were talking a little bit more, so I don't know, man. These guys...
Maybe a little bit more.
Maybe, I don't know. We'll see, man. I got to get used to this for a second. Then I got to probably come back to them because they cooked up some more ideas for me, so we might have to go that route. Any words, bro? Any words before we finally take home Superman? It's been 2 months sitting here, and I'm sorry I've kept my car here for that long.
You're good. It's always a pleasure when it's here, when you're here, when the fam's here.
Thank you.
This is something I know we've had in the works for a while.
Thank you,
We
bro.
got it finally here.
Dialed in.
Now it's yours.
Yes, sir.
Right for Fuel Fest, so you're ready to rock and roll,
Yes,
have some
sir.
fun with it, and
Yes, sir.
claim some streets.
Yes, sir. Thank you, bro.
Yep.
Colin, anything?
Really, the only wrap up here is it's kind of maxed out in the stock fuel system. If we want to give it any more, we got to kind of do a DSX auxiliary pump. Other than that, this thing's safe, reliable. The fuel pressure's holding nice, so everything's looking good. It's time for you to go enjoy it.
Let's get it, baby.
Of course.
See you guys, bro.
See ya.
Get it real quick. I had to get it real quick in front of Dyno Comp. I had to get it real quick, bro. I had to get the shot right in front of Dyno Comp. It's only right. Roto-Fab! What do you think, bro?
Sounds good.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Finally,
Congrats.
bro. Thank you, dog. Thank you.
Call it.
Guys, as you guys can see, we got the car officially back at the house now, and over the weekend, since we actually picked it up, I've been driving the car, and I'm gonna give you guys a couple of key takeaways on here that I've experienced myself. First things first, going up to the 900 horsepower package, you know, we put it on a dyno that is known as a heartbreak dyno, which I know that on a dyno jet, it's like a roller that'll give you higher numbers, but I want true numbers. Also, we had a conversation about how do you want your setup to be on the car? Like, do you want it to be aggressive? And I'm like, no, I don't want bragging right numbers, right? Like, as you guys can see, I told them I don't want bragging right numbers. I want real deal numbers. I want it to perform and at the same time, make it reliable, right? Make the car reliable. And it's been a ton of fun driving this thing over the weekend. A lot of people have been enjoying the car, seeing it in person. I appreciate you guys, you know, out there just tagging me everywhere on Instagram when you've seen the car at the events. Shout out to Fuel Fest, we were out there, and then today at Fountain Hills. Now, one thing that I did notice was obviously jumping up to the horsepower gain the way it is now, you can't just put your foot into it and go. Like, I mean, at 60, it was getting a little loose, right? So Little by little, I'm learning the car, right? And I'm gonna have to teach myself how to drive this thing pretty much all over again. And I'm super excited about that setup. Also, what I'm really excited about is the new hood finish, which this has never been done before. Nobody's ever done this, I can confirm that, especially on the Copo Camaro hood. We added these black accents right over here that are like a 3D effect, and it goes across over here on the top as well, and down the side of the hood, plus on the front right over here we added it, and a little bit here and here. Now when it's daytime, that sun is shining on it, like you can see that line like nobody's business, and I just feel like it just brings out the design of the hood a little bit more. So big shout out to Momo's Garage for that right there. She's the one who did this, and we brainstormed the idea. I told her how I wanted it, and she put it together, and it came out amazing. Now what I do want to do before we wrap up the video is actually start up the car so we can just hear it idle just for a little bit before we wrap up the video and see what you guys think with the new setup. Are you serious? Listen to that. Let's let it warm up a little. Show you guys something under the hood. Now you guys, under here we did a couple of things actually kind of different. First thing that we did was we also put the green gauge belt on there. We added the Mighty Mouse catch can. We put the catch can right over here on this side. Didn't put it over here. We actually mounted it right to the Roto-Fab intake, which I like a lot. And then what we did was we routed it all around the reservoir. Obviously that's the ethanol sensor right there. And it came out absolutely amazing. Super clean work. Crazy work, man. I need to change this one. Get rid of this. It's coming soon. We're gonna remove the dyno, the DC800. And we're gonna get another one like that. Very, very nice setup. Absolutely love it. So much more to come. Listen. Years, you guys. Years I've been waiting for this. Now before we wrap up today's video, you guys, I did tell you that this is phase number 2 for the ZL1, which is an absolutely crazy phase right now. But we're gonna immediately move on to phase number 3, and I already got my boxes in today, and they all came in today. There's 4 boxes. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to see if you guys will comment down below and let me know what you think those 4 boxes are, because it's about to get crazy right now. Everyone is excited for phase 2. Phase 3 is gonna be wild. I'm telling you, and you're thinking, how can it be crazier than this? It's gonna get crazy, I promise you. And then phase 4, I already have that as well, but we're gonna go one phase at a time. For now, if you enjoyed today's video and it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this beautiful, beautiful sound. Listen to that. Big shout out to Dyno Comp, Texas Speed Performance, Katech Performance, RGV Shelby. We got the new lights in, Momo's Garage, everybody that was involved. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right there, chopping away. Prep time, chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.